how to fix 0x000012d error when starting an application on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. To fix that issue, first thing what you need to do is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for advanced settings, system settings. So once you see the option called view advanced settings, just open it. So once you open it, you can see there is an option called settings. Just tap on this at the first settings option. Now simply select advanced menu over here, and you can see there's an option called virtual memory. So once you do all of that, finally simply click on this change button over here and just make sure you disable this option, which is automatically managing paging file, and simply choose your drive. So once you do that, you can see there is an option called custom size. So simply select it, and based on your device's initial size, you have to enter the amount just like this, and make sure your maximum size is always double of that previous one. So make sure you write it accordingly just like this. And once you do that, now simply click on set and click on OK, and once again click on apply and click on OK, just like that. So once you do all of that, and you might as well have to restart your computer, so make sure you restart your device. And if there's still you're facing your problem, then in that case what you can do is just head over to that particular app which is not working and just right click on it and simply click on show more option from over here and just head over to its properties. And now you can see there is an option called compatibility. So just click on it and click on this run this program as an administrator, or you can also try this option called run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or Windows 7. So based on which works better, you can simply tap on that and click on apply and click on OK just like this, and your issue should be fixed just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.